We have the shop door open and it is a beautiful Friday night, and we have a project that we're not really excited about, but we both want it done. Is that a good way to point it out? And on a beautiful Friday night like this, oh, I would love just to hop in Rado, go for a cruise, find like a Starbucks or ice cream or something. And instead, we're here. No, we're responsible because we gotta get
the whole day tomorrow.
You're right. You're right. But I would love to get this tractor hooked into that planter because we've never had this tractor hooked up to that planter, and I would feel way more comfortable if I hooked it up in it and then I got it to like unfold and do planter stuff. So what happened with the prior radiator, one of the rubber grommets, fingers that come over the line, and that was gone, and it actually rubbed, the AC line rubbed a hole into the bottom of the radiator, and it was really funny because even the guys at Deere were like, well, is the AC line okay? And I'm like, yeah, stupid $50 AC line's fine. The $1,500 radiator, well, there's a reason we're buying one of those. So we're gonna see, we've debated, we took the old one out with the cherry picker. Adam thinks I'm Superman and he says, just lift it up there. And I'm like, oh crap, here we go. So we're gonna try and get radiator from ground to in the tractor. And
there's two of us.
Yes, he says stuff like that, but I know how this is gonna go. Strong like bull, not smart like scientist though. I wish I was. Wouldn't Elon Musk be a cool friend to have? He wouldn't slum it with us. It's been a heck of a day, and it's been a good day. We started the morning out getting this tractor ready, this 4960. The last handful of days, we've been putting a radiator and oil cooler in it, and it hasn't been record pace. We've been caught up with some rain days here, so we've been working on this, and we've been working on a whole bunch of other stuff. Well, this morning, we actually backed the tractor out of the shop and hooked it in and got it hooked into this planter. Not that that's record setting or anything, but it's kind of cool. This planter we bought earlier this year. I'm really kind of excited to use it. It is a little different. It's a John Deere 1780. For the most part, we got everything going in the right direction. We got all of the no-till coulters on it. Now the last challenge we got, the farmer that owned this before us had a newer tractor that had 4 what they call SCVs, or 4 hydraulic outputs here. This tractor only has 3. Not the end of the world. What I got here is I have this hydraulics, it's kind of like a splitter block there. And I got that borrowed from my friend Martin. Thanks, Martin. We're gonna see if we can't plumb that all in and make it work. Kind of put a new planter through the paces, had to do some adjustments, normal stuff. I think we got it. Really cool feeling. While I was messing with this, Adam called me, and the throttle cable on his pickup broke. So we have a 12 valve Cummins sitting on the side of the road. Yep, yes, they break too. Kind of the pull home of shame, huh? We've all been there.
Sadly, we have. We don't like to admit it, though.
Everything breaks, right? Everything breaks. But yeah, the pull home of shame.
Oh, and it gets the simplest stuff, too.
The funniest thing about that, Adam at least like he never really gets in the Ford Chevy Dodge battle. Being pulled home by an old Super Duty. Yeah, that one hurt. So 9 o'clock at night, gonna travel 12 miles down the road to a field that I've never used this planter in. Yeah, why not? That sounds normal. Because they're calling for rain at 2 a.m. So the goal here, get as much planted as possible. Andre, Adam, my dad, everybody was awesome. We spent about an hour filling the planter full of seed. If everything goes as planned tonight, hopefully we should be able to finish this field. We'll see how this all goes. We are here at 10 o'clock at night trying to test out new planter. And it's been a wild ride. My dad's right there because I think he's kind of curious, and we're just going to see how this all goes. 11:30 in the morning. I'm reading the book, and everything's going really good. We're just kind of fine-tuning things on the fly here, but overall, pretty happy. Everything's going really well. Really like this planter so far. Fixing a little bit of wiring. I think we got it. If this clicks, we know we got it. Yep, we got it. All right. This relay I wired in on the fly because I didn't have time to do it all the way, hence the wire nuts. But it's interior, so it's all right. But the groundwork loose, and it wasn't allowing me. Yep, there we go. You can see the planter lifting. All of a sudden, it wasn't lifted. Not bad. All right, so they got rain scheduled in about an hour and a half, and I'm gonna be very close to finishing this field, so we're just gonna keep trying to push forward and get this done. It's going really good. I don't know if you can hear that kind of, I don't know if you can hear the rain, but we did get rained out, but we got about 2/3 of the field planted, which is awesome. And kind of the even more greater good is we kind of got a chance to test the planter out and work it, and yeah, just pretty cool. I got a few little things we got to work on, but for the most part, very happy with it, very impressed. So I gotta go. It's, what time is it? 3:15 in the morning. I got to head back to the shop and fire up a semi and go do some trucking. But yeah, heck yeah. I don't know. Nice feeling just knowing it was working good.